To perform a screen recording in Filmora, what you need to do is create a new project and then select File, then select Record, and then select Record PC Screen. So on the Wondershare screen recorder, you have several options. You can record a full screen, a custom screen, or a target window. You have the option to enable a microphone. You can record the system audio, like if a song or sound is playing on your computer, you can record that. And you can enable a camera if you wish. Now to record, just hit the big red button, and F9 is the shortcut to stop the screen recording. So I'm going to hit F9 now to stop screen recording. And it will add the screen recording to your project. So let's close this. Now let's drag it to our timeline. And there we go. That's a screen record in Filmora. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.